Hello, let's have a look at Essential of Real-Time Audio in Unity. I am following the Unity Learn and we are doing Essential Learning and we are diving into the audio part today. So everything I'm saying is from learn.unity.com. So let's start by launching Unity Hub, which you need installed. Today we are going to define the role of audio source and we're going to implement audio and we're going to configure roll-off of an audio source and we're going to programmatically play, pause and stop sounds. So let's start by creating a new project and we're going to add some background music. So let's go for a new project and let's select the 3D URP. And the URP is the Universal Reader Pipeline, which is a blank template that includes settings and assets you need to start creating with URD. Let's call the project audio. Okay, now it's being created. Okay, we have something called the asset store.unity.com. Here we should, it's loading. Here we can find something called Foundations of Audio. So this one is something, a scene that we're going to use in order and to learn how the audio works. So save that and open it in Unity. So let's continue. So there's a new version of Unity. It's almost the same as I have, so I don't want to download it. So let's go here for window, and then we have asset store and package manager. So in package manager, if we select the unit registry, we search here for foundation of audio. Okay, maybe we should my assets then. Okay, it's under my assets, foundations of audio. Just download that and import it. Next. Okay, and then we go to scenes here. So if we go to in project, my assets. Oh, here it is, Unity Foundation of Audio. So it has a scene here, and it's an essential audio scene. We can double click that one. We will see a map here with a apartment. So if we press play, we can actually play this map. So there's like no sound. So I guess we are going to have some sound here. Okay, let's stop this one. So we will create a game object that should be a placeholder and container for the background audio. So let's right click here, and we are going to create an empty, and let's call the empty music. And I think we can reset the position because the position is very strange here. So right click here and reset, and we'll give 000 here. And we can see here is the background music location. So here we can add a component, and we can add audio source here. And we have different properties, for example volume, pitch, loop. So if we want to have everything over and over again. So inside the foundation of audio we should have some music. Let's check here. Here we have music. Let's try to play this. It's music. And there is also like play button here, so we can listen to it. So let's add this one to the music here. So here is the audio clip, so we can select one here, just play, add the music. And let's try to run this one. So that's really nice. And we can set the volume here down, so I don't want because we want this like background music. So we have 0.3. So background music is the same volume wherever you are in the scene. And if you change the audio depending on where you move in the scene, that is called 3D sound. So this is background music, but we have also something called 3D sound. So if I go click on this one, you can see that I have a player here. This is the camera, which is the player, and the player also has both eyes and ears, so the player can listen. So the character has a main camera inside it, and the character is just this box here with the camera inside it. This is what the camera sees. And as you can see, we have an audio listener component attached to the camera, and it has no properties. So if we go for the environment, for the hierarchy again, we see that we have boiling pot over here. And we can actually, it's hidden, but we can show it now. And it should have some water here. And it has some bubbles. It has steam. And it has boiling water. And the boiling water has boiling water audio has a sound here. And the sound is bubbling pot. This is this sound here. So when we play the scene, this is not 3D audio, and we will listen to it. So this is the boiling water audio. So we can convert this to a 3D sound, and this is the spatial blend. So it's now 2D, and we can convert it to 3D by pulling this leveler all the way to the right. So if you press play again now, It has some 3D sound settings also, and it has some something called logarithmic roll-off, which is how much the sound should decrease and increase depending on where it is. So we can set the minimum distance here and the maximum distance. So set the minimum distance to 0.5 and the maximum to 1. Then we will see that the schema changes and we get a box around here, which is much better. Because if we play it now, we will see when we go into it that we will only hear the boiling sound. So let's change this one to just see what happens. We can also change the max distance to 0.5 and minimum to 0.2. So our challenge is that we want some game objects to go past the window and also have sound on it. So let's try to make a game object, and let's add some script that moves it from this side of the So let's, in order to do this, let's first make the boiling water audio less, and let's also make the background music less. Okay, then let's go to the asset store. I don't want this browser. I want Firefox. And let's search for some audio. Oh, here it is, audio. And let's go for pricing, free. Let's just check this first package that came up. Okay, let's search for some sirens maybe. Siren. Let's do the safety alarms. Okay, opening Unity. Here it is, safety alarms. Just click download. Okay, import it. Import. Okay, then we have a folder with some alarms. So let's go back to our room, our scene here, and let's close this and create a new 3D object. Let's create a cube, and let's call the alarm cube. Let's just click here and click reset. So now we have a cube in the center of the room, which will hold like be some alarm thing. So it can be a drone, for example, or whatever. So let's just resize it. This is the size. No, Now here transform 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. So let's pretend that this is a drone. And let's make a folder called scripts here. And we have create C# script, and let's call it the drone script. Let's rename this cube to drone. Okay, so then we're going to have a script for this drone to make the drone move from one side to the next. So what we are going to change is the position. So this X position we need to change. So let's go back here. Here and search for Unity, change X position, game object, script. Okay, these were horrible answers, so let's just instead go to the Explore Unity and go to the Essential Program of Unity. And change a game object with scripts. So we have public vector 3 position change, transform to position plus equals position change. So this is what we're going to do. Let's close some windows here. Okay, open the drone script. Nothing happening, nothing is happening. Wait, Visual Studio is there. So it says that external code editor application path does not exist. So let's go for settings. Is there some settings here? Preferences maybe? External tools, external script editor. So it should be Microsoft Visual Studio 2022. Let's try now. Now it opens. So let's create a variable public vector3 position change. Let's do the update. It should be transform. Oh, sorry. Transform dot position plus equals position change. So take the position and transform it to position change. So this is saved. So let's go to the drone here. Let's add component script. So now it has the drone script on it. And I think we can do the position change 0.01 here. This. And we can add it here in the kitchen over here. And if we play it now, it should change its position. Let's add some sound to it. Add component and audio source. In the clip here, let's just select one of these alarms. So this looks good. And let's make it a 3D sound by changing the spatial blend. And let's see it now. We need to loop it, of course. Let's decrease this volume here. Let's also decrease the water volume. It was really loud, so that we can make sure that the sound of the drone works. So this is really cool. So what we are going to do now is to try to publish this on the website of Unity. So we need to go to Window and then Package Manager, and I think we need a build tool. It's called the WebGL Publisher. we need to install this one. Okay, now it's installed. Now we can go to publish the WebGL project. Get started, build and publish. Switch. Select this folder. Save. And now after some minutes it should be published to the Unity game store, so we can try to play it there. But this is like essential audio with some scripting, so we created a drone that flew over the map and with some alarm. So it's really important to have an essential before continuing to the more advanced projects.